A tiny amount of fish sauce can add salty, savory, complex flavor to pad thais and stir fries. And Jack is here to school us on which fish sauce is best.
I guess you never thought you'd be attending this school.
No, I can't say that I'm too happy to be here at the moment either.
So there are two approaches to this. When we did the large tasting panel, there were people who were literally holding their nose. I brought you a clothespin in case you wanted a physical assistance on holding your nose. But the real secret here is to embrace the challenge.
Okay, all right.
And to just go with it. So
diving in.
Dive in. So fish sauce, it is basically fermented anchovies. They take whole anchovies, they salt them, they put them in a vat for 12 months, and you can do it. I know you can do it.
Okay.
We think of this as an Asian condiment. Of course, it's essential in Vietnamese, Thai cooking, but actually the Romans used fish sauce 2,000 years ago.
Really?
It adds umami flavor to anything. What you're looking for is saltiness and fishiness, but also some other notes. As with soy sauce, where you're looking for nuance and complexity, our tasters felt like the fish sauces that brought more than just fish and salt were more interesting. We sent these all out to the lab, and we figured out what makes a great fish sauce. More protein. The winner has 2 to 3 times the amount of protein, which means it has more fish in it. So you seem to be surviving okay. You've gotten over the initial hurdle here.
Yeah, at first it was like I just dove into a really unclean aquarium. But as I go, I'm definitely starting to pick up different notes beyond salt and fish.
Right, they're all salty. They're supposed to be salty. They're not supposed to be something you savor in a shot glass. We made dipping sauces, we cooked with them, but this is, of course, the easiest way to really see the differences, and there really are significant differences among the 5 brands that we sampled. So as you're tasting them, are you noticing anything about the aroma that is different? Because at first they all smell funky and fishy, but then you do get some different notes. You get some smoke, you can get even some fruit from some of them.
Let me give him a whiff.
See, now I thought this was going to be a one and done.
You did?
Yeah, that you were going to have a sip of each one.
I think there was a shock thing that came over me, and I'm coming out of my shock.
Okay.
This one is a little bit like low tide. And cheese.
Good or bad?
Not great. This one, there's almost a tobacco-y aroma to this in a good way. Pipe tobacco, not cigarette tobacco. This one also has a little bit of a cheese thing too, but it's like a Parmesan rind.
Okay.
It's got that same glutamate, that savory flavor to it. But I think I like this one the best.
All right.
This one seems saltier than this one. This one seems the least salty to me.
Why don't you turn that over? That is our winner. This is Red Boat. It is the saltiest, but also has the most protein. So it doesn't taste salty because there's so much protein in it. Our tasters thought it was the most complex. You agreed with them. It is a great fish sauce.
And there's a lot more than just salt and fish going on there.
Yeah. Now, did you have a second choice here?
I'd say probably this one.
And our tasting panel agreed. This was the runner-up, Thai Kitchen.
Excellent.
It was good, but it wasn't quite as great as the winner. And this was at the bottom of the rankings.
This was
Squid.
low tide.
Yeah. You kind of nailed it.
Thank you, Jack. Well, if you'd like to try the winner of our fish sauce tasting, it's Red Boat 40N fish sauce, $7.99 a bottle.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.